Hello and good evening. I am River Raven, and this is Thrive, a game about cells, about evolving cells, about picking your cells and surviving with them. Kind of like Spore? Is that what it calls it? It was Spore. Bit like that. Block only, restrict parts and abilities. Only life as we know it. That is, yes. So basically, make it like life as we know it, Earth, whatever you want to call it. Warm little pond. Go warm little pond. Advanced. Ooh. We're not there yet. From the pond. We'll go with it. We'll swing with it. We do get to pick our cell now, I do believe. I hope. That's what I remember. I might be wrong though. It has been a long time since I played this, booted up. It was very, very early access when I first got it. It like barely released into like super, super early access. Picked it up, put it down, forgot about it. We're back in it because it has done a whole lot of work on it since then. So I'm very curious and excited to see what's going on. And then, well, it's already seen some new stuff on this alien planet. Eons of chemical evolution, blah blah blah. Life. You are our last universal colonist. Sure, sure. So we're going to replace stuff. First, we need a blah blah blah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Begins right. Simple WSD. This is interesting. Okay, I want this one because it could follow my mouse too. I think I just want it to do. I want the shoulder. I might need that later. So I kind of want to do this. I can have it follow my mouse too, but not really used to that. To control cells. Create. Yes. Describe important energy. ATP. Not that one. Ooh, that's another one. Here we go. Glucose. Vitamins. Here it is. Purple, orange. What's this? This is an extreme both. Something like that. It needs more molecules than just sugar. So ethanol, clouds. Electrical orange is ammonia. Purple is phosphate. Awesome. So just keep collecting purple and orange for now. That's basically all there is to it. We can turn carnivores in this game and herbivores. There's a lot you can see. Very, very cool, fun stuff. Red. What's red do for me? Red gives me both, apparently. Go back to red. Keep nomming here for a little bit. Hello there. Are you another me? I don't know. It's hard to tell. We're thinking about that. Ooh, at this point. That hurts. That was painful. Can I evolve now? Hey, there we go. All right, our very first evolution. It's been a while. You can continue part of left panel. I know it here, right? Oh, I don't, but I know those basics. We have how much do we have? You're not really gonna tell me. You're 100% mutation points. I have 100% mutation points. That helps a lot. Thank you for that. Is that all I have? Okay. Structure 22, 100. Okay, so I have 100. Structure gooey innards of a cell. Cytoplasm is basic. Oh god, this is like school. It's a mixture of ions, proteins, and other substances dissolved. Cytoplasm. Why do I? Water fill interior of the cell, as they do all living beings on Earth, right? Pretty sure. We're all water. One of the functions it performs is glycolysis, conversion of glucose into ATP for cells like more glucose into ATP. That's metabolism. This is what they rely on for energy. It also use store molecules in the cell to grow the cell size. Ferments glucose gain energy. Okay, so it gives me 0.7 into ATP. What's my ATP? My ATP is what keeps me chugging, I think. So turns glucose into ATP, produces glucose. Wow, that is a lot to read there. But scales with concentration of carbon dioxide, intensity of sunlight. What's our day, night, average? Okay, so it's gonna turn day. It's the day-night cycle. So it'll produce glucose with. So it's making me into a plant, basically. Is that what that is? Dilophoids. Turns hydrogen sulfide and glucose. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Turns iron into ATP. Try to take glucose. Get both of those, maybe. That's what I'm making. Slime jets. They're not really ready to be. Okay, those are kind of like crafting tables for your cells, basically. It allows you to build more upon it. Requires nucleus. So nucleus is going to be here. So it is. And that'll allow me a whole other range of stuff to get. We're not there yet, though. Hydrogen sulfide. I don't know how common that is down here. Here we... Carbon dioxide. It's still carbon dioxide, right? In theory. This is going to ferment glucose into ATP. So we'll take one of those. Moving across empty as mutation species unless they replace some kind of editor. Right click, bring up blah 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 blah. Click undo button to continue. When selecting parts, pay attention to the tooltip to understand what they do. Parts do more harm than good if you don't consider their function. I'm considering the function. Each part requires maintenance. God, this game is so complicated. Adaptation is hard. There are many sources of ATP, but not all that are used for it. I'm aware. You're killing me with this. There we go. Put it on the outside. And then I want this one. I want the one that turns sunlight, right? Yeah, sunlight. This one's carbon dioxide and sunlight. This one's sulfide and carbon dioxide. Now with the iron. We don't want the iron one. This is making me a plant basically a little bit, but that's fine. That's where we're starting. Membrane. We already spent all our points, but here is our choice. A normal single membrane. We got double membrane, toxin resistance, health. But it makes me a lot slower and a lot harder to eat. Cellulose even takes that farther. But it gives me osmo regulator costs, which is good. Silica takes that to the max. I barely move at all, but my health is huge. Right now I need a lot of mobility to get the resources, so it will kill me if I went that path. Because I don't have enough producing on my own. I rely very much on other stuff, and I don't have a lot of storage. So the slower I move, the more vulnerable I am to dying. Base mobility. Everything here makes me slower. I have 5 points left. More resistant to damage. Will make it hard for stuff to move around. So we're gonna make this a little slower. A little bit more fluid. What's the points we have? And I will make you black. Let's make you red. I think that's pretty cool. Swatches. Colors. Behavior. Pretty. This is pretty good right now. We're at the very beginning. We're very much kind of going to plant. In the future, I want to. But this isn't for me. I'm making my own decisions, right? But I have reproduced and I have other cells that are with me, and this is going to dictate their response. And right now, we're kind of on our own. We're kind of relying. We're very much moving towards plant-based right now, which makes us more towards predator and prey than predator right now. But we will change that in the future. Pause anytime. Good. This is all iron. This is glucose. Engulf objects when moving over them by an engulf mode. An engulf mode by pressing G. See, that's good to know. Oh. I wonder if I can get him. Open park. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm wrong. We're predators. I need to watch my ATP. That will determine how long I live. We're very slow right now. Thank you for that tutorial. That was really helpful. The celling dies will affect the population as an external effect once you reach the editor. You add behavior species, speak AI behavior, make helpful hints like adding chemo receptor that makes the gameplay easier. Good to know. What is this? Phosphate. Phosphate, good. So iron. Iron gives me a little bit of both, evidently. We're just hunting him down. What's up, bud? Oh, come on, you thief. Oh, I know I could do that. Or phosphate. Hey, there we go. Now I have him inside of me. That didn't come out right. Now what does that do? I'm just eating him, right? Yeah, engulf another cell. Very cool. I think that helped a lot, actually. Wasn't fully paying attention to it. Okay, I want to make myself. I'm gonna become a predator. Process of growing enough to produce. How do I pause? There we go. Process of growing enough to reproduce. Each of your organelles will divide. These organelles provide bonuses and osmoregulation costs, just like the organelles your microbes start with. Each time organelles will start to duplicate, collecting compounds speed this up. Once the organelles have divided, your cell can reproduce. Enter the editor. I hit the wrong thing. Unpause and evolve. Okay, I have a better idea of how to be carnivorous now, so let's try that. This is the food chain. Shows what food sources these species in the current area eats. There I am. We're kind of outside of it right now. Okay. Next. ATP fixer indicates how much ATP your cell produces compared to how much it consumed. That is a very good thing to keep in mind. Plus 2 ATP, plus 2. Oh, that's all required components. Base movement minus 3. That's how much I'm producing with my glucose. If I have glucose production, I'm producing that. That's how much I'm consuming, and it's by moving, osmoregulation, by basically producing. Isn't that like heat in mammals? I don't know, but that's basically producing what's keeping me alive and going, and my movements another 3. Or add storage, allow movement bursts. Okay, storage is good. So I have another 100. I won't be doing any of that. I will leave you as you are. You're a little bit. Your tolerance, behavior. Tolerance editor allows changing of environmental connection. Species adapt to include temperature and pressure. Patch you reside in. Moving a patch you're on adapt to, there will be various negative effects. To become perfectly adapted, gain bonuses instead of negative effects. Flexibility ranges. Blah blah blah. Trade-off perfect adaptation is not being suitable for a wide range of patches. How do I know? Okay, that's where I'm currently at. What is this? Oxygen resistance. How do I know what my current thing is? Oh, here we are. Atmospheric gases. They're mostly nitrogen. Carbon dioxide, oxygen. Very low in oxygen. It's slightly rising, but so is carbon dioxide. Nitrogen starting to level off, but it is still very high in our atmosphere. These are our. Ooh, wow. I think that's me right there. Go back to our editor. I want to change the name so I know which one's which. This is a very fun game, by the way. I don't know why. It doesn't seem like it. It's a lot of reading and learning, but we're here. What should we call this? Bird of prey. It shall be called Bop. Ow! I stubbed my toe. So hard. All right. Ammonia costs. Talk to the fame. Da, da, da. ATP. Oxygen production. Protection too low. Needs to be higher. Why can't I do this? I can't place that down? Hmm. Tolerance. Oh, is that why? I entered Bob. Okay, now I can do what I need to do. Tolerance, not. What? What's the problem here? What's wrong with Bob? Wow, you. What's the problem here? How many characters do I need? Oh, I understand. Bird of prey. Good enough. Non-adapted to current environment conditions. Asthma rotation +2. Blah, 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 blah. Health -2%. Oxygen protection too low. Needs to be 2% higher. I can change that. There we go. Really cost us too much points either, but to get this right and where we need to be. What are these? Stored mucil, boosting cell speed, slowing predators. More receptors. I like those. I don't think it's time for that. And I think our next one will add that. Nucleus. Very good as well. We're going to this. We're going to do this. Just making ourselves bigger right now. And I want one. There was one that was iron. There it is. This one will take iron and turn it into good stuff. We have some pretty rich iron. A report for the. There it is. Nope, that's not it. Scroll down. Here's our atmospheric gases, our compounds. Iron. Iron is on the lower one, unfortunately, but I run into some pretty big patches of it, so we'll go with it. And that should be everything. Bird of prey is ready to go. We return to a lot bigger cell now. Gameplay counterpart to editor ATP display is a process panel in which will real-time display of how fast each biological process is running in your cell. You can think of your cell like a small factory that is consuming and producing different compounds constantly. Press the highlighted button. Bottom left toggle process panel. Pause. Here's the process panel. You can monitor cell your process in real time. Spinner show how fast. This game is very well detailed. So if you haven't been able to tell, spinner show how fast process is running in the numbers. Show average number of recent consumptions or productions. You're a small cellular factory that needs to be constantly producing ATP to keep itself alive. If a number turns red, it means it has a limiting factor. For example, if a process produces APD has an input turn red, it will be big trouble. We'll need to fight blah blah blah. If something needs iron to produce ATP and it doesn't have iron, it's red. That's basically what that means. Inactive, inactive, inactive. Fine. Cytoplasm meiosis, photosynthesis is 51%. This one's amazing stuff. I think that's the base layer of my cell, so that's good. Click to turn them off. Landscape, yeah, we're not turning anything off. Can I turn it off? I said I could click it, turn it off, but the space on pause. Pressing space on pause. Okay, I did turn it off. Ooh, be careful what you do. That makes... Huh. That makes 4, 5, 6. I wish they'd make almost 8, so that's better. Okay, I might be messing stuff up though. Leave it as it is. Maybe I can't do multiple things at once. That might be the problem. This is a lot of iron, by the way. That's my iron protection. It's not working at all. Hello there. Let's change the bind for attacking people. Inputs. Inputs. Oh, you use a controller for this. That's cool. There we go. Damaged by hydrogen sulfide. Oof. Ooh, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Bad stuff. Oof. Okay, we're fine. That hurt. Hydrogen sulfide bad. We'll remember that. Let's see. Just open up a notification for me, which is interesting. Hello there. Ooh, I'm slow. Oh, you know what? We could. I'm gonna get the boost thing. When I do, I want to be ready. Fire toxins thing though, too though. We'll wait till what we get. We'll see what we get first before we start doing stuff. What's yelling at me? Ow! I need more storage. How do I get more storage? Hunt to my minions. Hunt. Leave some for me though. I need some of that. Some of the good stuff. That's all my current stuff that I have with me, by the way. As you can see, I'm burning through my glucose. Getting more right now, which should be filling back up. Ow! Right? Yeah, okay. It's filling up slowly. I do have some storage then. I got some pretty good storage. I do need more though. I need more for glucose is the main one. We do have a moment where without it. Really? Already ready to be entered? Yeah, we're so slow. Oh, that uses all my energy to do that though. What's G? Okay, use that. Just evolve. Need to work on that. Ooh, species are getting wiped out. What, bird of prey went down a lot apparently. Chain. Okay. Yeah, it's decreased. Good pocket to live in. What is this? Let's go down here. 200 meters below sea level. Temperature's gonna dive. Glucose is going up. Iron is going up. Sulfide. These are all good things. Both of those go down. That's not good. But I do want to explore. Move to this patch. This is for the whole newest place, if I'm correct. Yeah, it is. It says it right there. Iron, good. Atmospheric gases. A little bit of oxygen, carbon dioxide, vast majority of nitrogen. That is good to know. So what is this? It turns that into rates with concentration of oxygen. We don't have any much oxygen here. We are. I don't really want to rely on that too much. I do have some reliance on it. Movement speeds. Ooh, very much what we need right here. We're positive 20, so I could definitely. So which way do we want to move this? How do I rotate? Statistics. Maybe it'll be in here. Oh, there's cheats in this. That's interesting. Shift. Looks like it might be shift. It's not shift. There's got to be a way of doing it. There's got to be. I don't think it automatically connects. There it is. Left and right. A and D. Really? Wow. Okay. I have a very weird shape right now, though. That's going to cost 55. Let's, like, make this straight a little bit more standard, or this shape a little bit more standard first, maybe. Do that, and then one of these. Let me undo. Okay, yeah, that does help with our production. What is exactly what does it do? Turns glucose into it. Okay. It's a very weird angle, but we'll take it. I know they're ATP offensive. Oh man, it is very. Oof, some expensive movement right there. Hopefully, it's worth it. I need to make my guys more aggressive. Was it too? Environmental panel on the left side of the screen. Eyes haven't evolved yet, but species may already rely on sunlight or temperature to generate food. If that's you, pay attention. Photosynthesis is ineffective during nighttime, so any cells that rely on photosynthesis need to have enough compound storage to survive the night. Oh, interesting. Oh, there's your environment. Let's turn that into smaller. What does that say? CO2. Actually, I need that bigger for now. 0% light. We're making even less than we were before. Ooh, glucose. We're almost out of glucose. If we run out of glucose, we start to die. There we go. I already was starting to die. Yeah, that cost us a lot. Yeah, we're not photosynthesis doing our thing either. Time to go consume some cells, honestly. Yeah, we're gonna die out a lot during this. Get me some more iron, please, and thank you. Look at our glucose go down too. Might have made a mistake adding that so soon. I need to make energy out of more than just glucose, though, because my glucose consumption is out of this world right now. Crap, come here. I know, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Nope. I ate my innards. It's still selecting a new patch to play in. It's my current patch. We go back up to this one? Yeah. Go to this patch. Do we do better in this one? We might. We have what's the current environment? We do have light now. We have our energy back, okay. I want to move away from light, but not yet. So I think you guys are maybe the same species as me. Maybe not. You're too big for me though. What was that? Iron? Ammonia. I said ammonia. Ammonia. Ow, sulfur hurts. We know. Yes, we know. Ooh, those guys are small enough. Just a matter. It's giving me glucose. Right? Too big for me. That's a big object. More purple, more glucose. A little more glucose here. Oh, hydrogen sulfide. Whatever it's called. Oh, I did say it right. Oh, what's that? Oh, crap. I'm not making enough. What I ran out of? I ran out of glucose. Help me. I'm too small for me. Okay, I just made a bad cell. It's fine. Just end it there and then run. We read the tutorials. We know what we're doing. Okay. I want to go predatory. No, we're gonna end this. We're gonna start from scratch. New game. Just normal. I want to warm a little. Actually, hydrothermal vents. Now let's go warm a little pot. Let's start up high. Begin thriving. We don't need the tutorials anymore. Show this again. We're just gonna be getting glucose and ammonium phosphate. We're just leveling up the first time. There's something. Nom on that. I do need to change our color change. We look like to differentiate the species a little bit more than what we currently have. What is this? Iron. Iron gets iron. Oh, this is everything. This is all the good stuff. I'm not sure how it works. I think the base layer we add also adds storage for the resources we gather, but it also seemed to be adding a lot of glucose consumption, way too much glucose consumption. We relied heavily on glucose, and that destroyed us. That was the main thing that killed us above everything. I realized I added a mover that was like way too early for that, but the glucose consumption, it's really what did us in. We could not collect it fast enough. I want to find alternatives to that. I'm thinking iron. Iron seems to be the way to go, so I'm going to start adding a ton of those. I have enough purple. We're getting more orange. Let's take a little bit. Ammonia. Oh, there's ammonia right there. That should evolve this nice and quick. Okay. Next. We're in a shallow tide pool. I want to go coastal. Actually, should we be going down instead? No. I don't know what that is. Let's move here. Everything will be going down, unfortunately. Let's the temperature. Okay, no more glucose reliance, because this relies on glucose. Does everything rely on glucose? That would kind of be. Oh, we have glucose production. That's right. Uh, this turns glucose into ATP. That's not it. Turns hydroxylsulfide into glucose. Use iron. Okay, so we want some of this. So we could go iron. That'll go directly into our ATP. We won't need glucose. Or we could do this, which will turn sulfide. What's our current? Hydrogen sulfide. It's the lowest. I think we're gonna go because I want glucose. Glucose is good. What else does it need? Carbon dioxide. Both good resources I rely on, honestly. We'll go iron directly ATP. The problem is I want to expand myself with this, and that requires a lot of glucose. This is sunlight. I want to get away from the sunlight. I want to go predatory and dark. I want to go deep into the chasm and predate on others. Let me get one of each. Glucose was very much destroying me in the beginning, though. Editor. Membrane. Let's go purple. Beautiful. Behavior. Actually, let's change this. Let's make you more. Now, I want you to be fast, but 3% less mobile. 12. You got a lot more health now. Actually, one more. 5% less mobile. I'm good with that. It gives us a ton of health, and we can always upgrade our mobility later. Actually, we have one more point. 5%. 15. Come on. That's max week though. That's why. Behavior. Make you more opportunistic, or make you more aggressive. Thing happens. Stationary. I want you to be more active. Focus micro seek down chunks of prey or great distances. Over chunks. I want you to be more responsive. Responsive micros switch to new targets sooner. I want you to be responsive. No, you were right there. I want you to chase them down a little bit, but as soon if they're gone, you know what? Make them more responsive because I slowed myself down, and so I don't want them wasting their time and energy on that. Okay, I think we're good to go. Let's name it. Killis Maximus for obvious reasons. Okay, I went a little bit both directions. So a little bit of a coward. We're fine with it though. Glucose is still. I'm still maxed on 0.5 glucose. Oh, we have a current here. Oh, that's new. Very cool though. So everyone's going this way then. That means if we're predatory, we go wait for others to come behind us. Like that. There we go. I have no ATP. Ow. What's happening? I'm good on glucose. What do I need? What do I need to make you happy? Am I dead? I'm dead. What did I do wrong? Okay, back up to here. I didn't pay attention to my balance. I might have a bad balance. I might be eating more than I'm taking. be a problem. I need sulfide and iron. Here's ammonia, and here's my progression right here. This is good. I do have print here, it's just not as strong. Ooh, eat up, boys, eat up, boys. Is engulfing causing me issues right now? Oof, come on, come on, come on. Okay, I need to commit to one strategy here. Go bigger. Go bigger. We'll go in the vents. We'll start in the vents. No need for tutorials. Whoa, we are fast for speeder boys. Our population is 100T. I don't know what that is. Damage by excess radiation. Okay, there's radiation in this game. That's nice. Glucose, iron, hydrosulfide. Hydrosulfide. Hello. We can't really take any iron right now. This is ammonia and phosphate, though, which is good. A little more glucose. Oh, that's what's giving me the damage. Understood. Phosphate. Oh, I get it. I see it at the bottom. Oh no, it does consume it pretty quick. You store it up and you consume it as you go, but I see it does it pretty quick. So it isn't instant. It isn't as soon as you eat it up here. It's as soon as you digest it there. If that makes sense, but it's digesting it pretty instantly, especially with ammonia. Ammonia is getting. You can see phosphate's taking a second to digest. Ammonia is instant. Might be because we finished phosphate first, though. Not sure. Next. We'll work our way up. Just giving more storage. Do that. And then iron seems to be prevalent. Phosphate's pretty huge. Ooh, ammonia took a giant dip. Why did ammonia take such a huge dip? It would change iron from chemical state to another. That's good. Okay, we'll take it. I'm gonna go heavy into iron, I think. And we'll distill last name. Sounds real nice. Membrane, fine. We're gonna take color. We'll go yellow. Blue, darker blue. Perfect. Behavior. Yeah, responsive. You're acting. Put it towards the middle. You are brave. You're opportunistic, and you are aggressive. There we go. Ghost Maximus. Do your thing. I didn't look at the stats again. I really need to do that. That is gonna kill me. I know. I'm getting it right now. There we go. You happy? A little bit ATP. We need iron. Ammonia. I went heavy into iron, and there's no iron around me, which is a problem. Glucose will be enough to keep us alive. We can't boost anything. There's iron. Come on. You literally walked into me. They'll give me glucose. Okay. There we go. There's my iron. Where you rely on iron. Okay. And it did kill me last time engulfing. It takes a lot of energy. And we're getting very predatory. We get our energy from iron. We get our glucose from predating on others. We got some sulfur here. We'll go our side quest into sulfur. And that'll produce us glucose as well. Because just by expanding with the base layer, it's going to make us rely on glucose. That was sulfide. We need more glucose. Ow, 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 ow. I need to predate in order to get more. There we go. Yeah, we need that sulfide thing so that way we could eat it instead of being damaged by it. More iron. Good. Okay. We're losing a lot of glucose. So we need some to make glucose. So we're gonna put. I guess we'll go back here. Ammonia. There's sulfur and glucose. There we go. This should help. We're going to take a 2% mobility. Some more health. Maybe not. Maybe the other way around. Leave it as it is. That requires that. Yeah, we're good. If we have iron, we're doing great. If we don't have iron, problems arise. There's our iron. A little bit more glucose right here. So there. That was an opportunity. Look at our glucose skyrocket. Then it gets digested so quick. Yeah, he's fast. More iron here. That'll fill me back up on that. Oh, this is good. This will give us glucose. See, now we can take that, so now it doesn't hurt us anymore. And I fill this. You can see it's getting consumed immediately and turning into glucose. Ooh, those are big guys. Be careful of them. Ooh, wasn't worth it. Careful. Nice one. This is good. This is good. Spots here, good spots. It's just straight glucose. That never hurts. Get them. Yeah, what do we do about that? Our glucose consumption is too much for us. It's hard to keep up with. We love it when you guys bump into each other like that. Get over here. Crap. Ooh, they're fighting. Low on iron now. We used all of it. Oh, too low on iron. It's right there. Right there. We're fine. Yeah, we need to be careful of that. That's what keeps us alive. Iron is our main sustenance. There we go. One more of everything. Go. Got one more snack for the road. How is our species moving along? Not well. It's all right. Call BS on that one. We are. Move to this patch. Okay. Good to know. That's a prediction. What does it want me to do? It wants me to do this. Yeah, it gives me all the stats. Can we use a stab other cells? There's a lot of ATP though. That's a problem. More storage, maybe? And a toxin. Can we use toxin by pressing E? While toxin amount is low, shooting is still possible, but reduce damage. Cool. A lot of cool stuff here. A lot of cool stuff. Radiation and do energy. That's cool. That's a good one. Oh, I command other cells. Very cool. More health, slower. Toxin resistance. Storage 0.25, 0.5, 0.25, storage 1. Where I thought ATP is a problem. More effective at low oxygen. Glucose isn't really what we want. We want these. That'll give me more energy. I think I need another one of these, even though it is consuming a lot by now. So I'm gonna do that. How many do we have? We have 5. Not quite enough for that. Not sure my glucose and energy. Not the best, but it's what it is. Make them more opportunistic. Make them more aggressive. Brave is good enough. Make them more active. Responsive is pretty good where it's at. And strength is really low. We're good there. We're good there. I'll put some points into that because we can. Yeah, everything's costing us a lot right now. But we are very cold waters, right? Yeah, we moved out of it. That's probably what kills us so quickly. Is the temperatures drop so significantly. My iron is getting consumed at double right now, which is dangerous, 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 dangerous. Just get to an iron supply. This is not a big one, but something. I need a puncture as well. Glucose. Oh, this is everything right up to 1. Yeah, you're way too small to be in here. equip it next time. Whoa, you escaped. Me no like you when you escape. Oh, I missed him. That's right, we have the iron. Wow, we have everything. The reason why I'm making a white trail behind me is because I'm consuming the iron, but I'm not consuming the glucose underneath the iron. They have enough glucose. They have hydrogen sulfide also to make glucose. Oh, you died. Awesome. The only counter I see to consuming that much iron is just having a whole lot of storage. Yeah, I got it. Turns glucose into energy into nitrogen, ammonia. That's stuff we need later on. Right now, we're just focusing purely on survival. So I'm not good at this yet. That's those. Let's set by a smidge. Modify button. Turn goes to inject some, doing toxin damage when going. Nope, we don't need that. Very, very cool though. Love that. Make you very brave, very opportunistic, very aggressive, very active, very responsive. Oof, requiring a lot though. It's getting worrying. Stay near iron deposits. Just stay near iron deposits. That's all that really matters. So much iron here. Can I hurt my own species? Those are good questions. You're so aggressive. Take him out. There we go. There's some teamwork. So anything we're too big to kill or to consume, we could just take out of the equation. What's H? I don't know what H was. Am I too big for you? Maybe. Okay, we're storing a lot of iron now. That's good. This is a good spot for us so far. That takes up so much iron to regenerate that. We need to be careful. Yeah, don't use your boost ever. I have pink on me. Why do you have pink on me? What does this mean? We're running out of iron. Well, we cannot survive without iron. Very much require it. Let's put a nucleus. It's gonna make us huge. Not quite enough for that. Chemoreceptors increase species' ability to sense things around them. I know. I was supposed to do it a long time ago, but I forgot. We obviously cannot do nucleus right now. We will do a chemoreceptor though. So it's glucose. I need something else that produces energy, maybe. Honestly, I don't mind it. Do some toxin. And then we'll upgrade that one. We'll upgrade the spike to inject toxin next time. Nope, that requires too much ATP apparently. We need something that produces. Storage. Make it just a lot more storage. Honestly, yeah, that works. Need more glucose, so let's undo that. That's better. 37. But does make a huge difference. I'll fit there. And then torrents. Keep increasing that more and more every time. Patch map. Let's move more up. Back to editor. We're looking at species we got, but we'll take it. We are barely surviving. We'll just never run out of any resources right now because that would be bad. You have to tell me I was consuming something. More iron. We need more hydrogen sulfate. Iron. Watch out. Here's our iron. We could redo that. We need something that turns other stuff into iron. Because right now we have two pockets for glucose. So we have hydrogen sulfate. Hello, boys. And then we have glucose. Because hydrogen, as long as we have hydrogen sulfate, we have glucose. So if we run out of that, then we still have our stockpile glucose. So we can do the same thing with iron. Instead of clicking the iron, click something else, and it gives us a stockpile iron. What is this? Oh, this we need to evolve. That's why we've been evolving so fast. Yeah, this white stuff is just gold. We ran out of hydrogen sulfate though. We have enough glucose here to keep us going to our next evolve. Do we need to find more hydrogen sulfate though? Hi, buddy. Center of mass changed a little bit. So getting you. Go back the way you came, please. You are small enough. Awesome. Hey, buddy. Go down. Should almost have enough now. How do we fix what we have here? We're going in a bad direction right now. What's our species, by the way? I haven't been paying attention. Oh my god, we're horrible. Batch map editor. I need so much more ATP. Uh, glucose is 3, that's 1.5. More glucose reliance. Is that really what we want? Find it right now. Alright, take this. Oh, we can't. We didn't do the chemical thing. We're a lot more reliant on glucose now. Let's undo that. Turn this. Turn hydrogen sulfide into glucose. Yeah, that's what we want. What are we doing here that's costing... This require? Osmotic. We're barely producing enough. What am I doing that's costing so much? I honestly can't tell you. I do know that I need more phosphate though. I don't have enough glucose without it. After returning to editors, your cell will spawn next to stored compounds that is split. Your cell will also survive. Additional flavors to the top of your cell. Okay, guys. If you're gonna give me hugs, I'm gonna take them. Well, this has hydrogen sulfide in it, actually. Oh, maybe it didn't. I think maybe then it just matter gave me some. Let's put more glucose reliance. I think that's what we need to be. Because we have a lot of glucose. Hey, bud. I'm friendly, I swear. Real fag. I find walruses. Thermal pieces. Was I getting damaged by my own guy? Oh, those are probably different guys, actually. It was the same adaptation. Alright, well, I don't want to go Ice World. Let's go up here. Go to this patch. Editor. More glucose reliance. There we go. That helps, right? And we're dying now. What did I do? Oh, adaptation. Let me fix adaptation first. Let's see if we can. Temperature. Okay. Oh, I understand now. Got it. Yeah, that took all of my points. But that fixed me massively. Wow. That's pretty big. I was doing it wrong the whole time. Okay, well now we're good to go. I used all my points though, but it did massively fix what I was doing wrong. Which is good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, awesome. Yes, you can zoom out. Go back to the way it came, maybe. Not now here. I have enough hydrogen sulfide. Oh, dangerous with own iron. What is this? Enough. Let me consume this little guy though. I'm sure he'll have a little iron on him. Out of iron. I'm aware of the issue. God, you guys suck. I'm aware. I'm aware. I'm working on it. Yeah, I need iron. I'm very aware I need iron. It's painfully obvious. I'm gonna give my guys some more help next time. That might be necessary. It'll hopefully give me some more hydrogen sulfide. What's H do? Hi there. Hey guys. Hey, friendly here. Totally friendly. Oh, still fight. Awesome. That's what we needed. Not making enough of it now. Or I can't get enough of it now. Patch map. Let's move. Or do it here. No, I can't yet. We move here. Give us more. More reliant on that. It's fine. To that. UV resistance. Probably need a lot more UV resistance. Oxygen resistance. Okay, we're getting a lot more oxygen-rich waters. A lot more UV waters. So we might need to go back down. Glucose and energy. Put that there. Put that there. Honestly, more glucose consumption. Yeah, maybe not. Yes. And a little bit more rigid. Okay, immediately look for iron. Oh, I might have gone to a very iron sparse area, which would be a small problem. There's some, not some ammonia. There's iron. Very sparse resources. I need to get out of this area as soon as possible. It's not enough iron. Ouch. Very sparse resources. Not good. Not good at all. I'm moving out of areas that I'm not good at. It's killing me. There's a lot of iron in that one. Oh, I need you guys. Not enough iron. Keep me going. Yeah, I need to go somewhere very cold, very dark, very full of iron. And I'm going the opposite direction of that. That's where I was started. At least it was fit to that. Yeah, glucose too. Even though we're swimming in it. We takes a loss there. That was what was it? What was the Thrive? That was Thrive. It is. I'm still trying to figure it out. Honestly, I think I'm starting to figure out the problems I'm having. I need to worry about adaptability for temperature and whatnot, and like the sun. And I'm moving out of my pocket. I'm adapting to my pocket. I'm moving to a different pocket way too fast. So that's a huge problem. I'm right here, and so like I need to go back down to like here. Let's go see if that worked. Not really. It's using a lot of everything right now, and that's not good. So I'm doing something. What I'm getting at, and I'm not sure what. Also, I'm not facing the right way. I think that might actually have a factor on how fast you move. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how fast. Zoom iron here. Pretty fast. Yeah, that makes a difference. Definitely a better area to be in for me. Oh, and radioactivity. But yeah, definitely a lot of changes. Like, holy crap. Hi there. And the species went extinct in one night. That was Thrive. Very cool game. Do hope you enjoyed. Until I see you next time. See you then.